example 5.4. The potential energy function for a particle executing linear simple harmonic motion is given by V as a function of x, that is half kx square, where k is the force constant of the oscillator. For k equal to 0.5 Newton per meter, the graph of Vx versus x is shown in the figure. Show that a particle of total energy 1 joule moving under this potential must turn back when it reaches x equal to plus or minus 2 meter. Now see here, the total energy that is given to you 1 joule, k force constant that is 0.5 Newton per meter. Now when oscillator is oscillating like this, at that time the total energy that is constant and that is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Whenever the oscillator reaches at the extreme position, then momentarily it becomes stationary, its velocity becomes zero. So kinetic energy becomes zero. So entire total energy that is converted into potential energy. Clear? So at the extreme position, total energy and potential energy will be equal and kinetic energy will be zero, right? And extreme position, that is the position from where it comes back. Okay, so here total energy, that is E equal to k plus V, so E equal to half mv square plus half kx square. At extreme position, its velocity that is zero and particle turns back. And at extreme position, when you substitute here V equal to 0, then E equal to half kx square. Okay, so E, that is 1 half k 0.5 into x square. Clear? So x square, that is 4, so x equal to plus or minus 2. So here we can say this thing, the position plus or minus 2 meter, it comes back. Clear to all of you?